Welcome back to Chandri's Car channel. So, as we can see for today, we have this new Audi RS6 performance. So, in this video, we are going to take a look of the interior and the exterior design. Here we have the key. Let's unlock it and put the ignition on. So we can see this beautiful welcome lights. Also, we have this beautiful paint, which looks so beautiful. So we can see we have brown leather seats. So we have projecting Audi Sport here, which looks so beautiful. The RS6 badges in the door sills. Fully electric adjustable seats. We have bucket seats with RS6 logo here, which looks so beautiful. So right now let's jump in and put the ignition on. So we can see the steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel, and to put the ignition on or to start up, we have this button here. So you can see it looks so good, guys. So right now let's go and take a look of the exterior design, and later on we are going to see the interior. So as we can see right now, guys, we are here in the front, and just look how mean and how angry this front looks, guys. And now we can see we have LED daytime running lights from the Audi A7, which looks more angry, of course, and more sporty. We have this deeper bumper here. We can see the lip spoiler there. So look, the engine in this car is a 4-liter V8. Now with the performance, it produces 630 horsepower and 830 Newton meters of torque, with quattro all-wheel drive and 8-speed automatic transmission, and it's got 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour in just 3.6 seconds. Also, we have this beautiful 22-inch rims with carbon ceramic brakes, RS badges here. And we can see very sporty side skirts. This is the finishes of the windows. They are all finished in black. Also, we have double panoramic sunroof, which I'm going to show you in a bit. We can see this is more sporty. And just look how beautiful this wagon looks, guys. Full LED taillights, of course. The RS exhaust. This is finished in all black. Beautiful. So let's see the trunk. It's electric, standard in every RS model. We can see beautiful big trunk. Also, we have little under storage, and for longer items, of course, we can fold down the rear seats. Also, we have manually sunshades, and this is the Audi exclusive. We can see the badges here. Beautiful ambient light, Alcantara here in the side, and you can see how much room you have. Double panoramic sunroof, black headlining. Also, we have illuminated for the seat belts, and of course the 4-zone climate control. So right now, let's jump in the front. We can see we have soft close. Also, it's a keyless go. Beautiful ambient light, which we can customize that. So as we can see right now, we are inside of the Audi RS6, and we can see we have this beautiful steering wheel with shift paddles, RS logo here. This is to control the virtual cockpit, these buttons. And of course we can change the view. This system works very well. Also we have the RS mode, so this changes. You can see, I can show you right now. When I press, you can see the rev counter. Also the head-up display changes. Beautiful. Also we have the extended leather. Like I said, this is the fitted with the Audi exclusive. So you have better materials in the interior to feel more luxurious. And it feels, guys, it feels very luxurious, to be honest. Here we have the lights, ambient lights. We can customize the surface. For example, this one in the foot and this in the top we can change. Also we have the quattro illuminated badge here with the ambient light. Beautiful. And this system works very well, guys. You can see it is touchscreen with haptic feedback. The map view, so you can see it is very responsive. Beautiful. The car, the seat settings, RS monitor. You can see the temperature, the brake disc, gear oil and sport differential. Also I can show you we have the driving modes here, the dynamic, auto, comfort and efficiency. Also we have the air suspension, so it depends in what mode you are. The car will lower or raise up. Also we have the 360-degree camera. You can see the 3D. You can see all around the car, which is very handy, especially because we have very big rims and you can scratch very easily in the side. This is for the climate control, like we know in the Audi. It works very well. We have ventilated and heated seat in the option, of course. Traction control, hazards, parking sensors, safety features. Also we have the volume control. And speaking about the volume control, we have the Bang & Olufsen sound speakers, which sounds very good. And you can see we have this beautiful trim like a wood. We have the key lever up to reverse, down to drive, and for manual you push to the right. You can change like this, or in the steering wheel, electric handbrake, auto hold. We have this beautiful ambient light here, lines, two cup holders, and here we have some storage in the armrest with 2 USB-C port and wireless charging, and I can show you the glove box. You can see it's very decent. Beautiful. This car can do it all, guys. It's family car, it's like a supercar, quick, and it's so luxurious at the same time, and you have lots of room in the trunk and in the back seats. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about the new Audi RS6. Comment down below what do you think, and make sure to subscribe for more videos to come, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.